YouTube channel. So today I want to unbox stackable tin, and I have 3 mystery boxes from the Capone brothers. We will see if they are worth the money or not. So first I have then the mystery boxes, 3 of them from the Capone brothers, and on the other side you can see what should be inside. So they have a graded card or a package, a vintage package. So then let's try and open them. So the first one, so we have a graded card. So we have it's from the company P. We have a 9.5, 9, 9.5, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. So, and it's an egg color. 9.5. So this one, what is not graded, is about maybe $10 worth. So then the next one. So, seems like we have another Japanese card, and it's also has similar gradings: 9, 9.5, 10, 9, 9.5, 9.5, 9, and it's in slowpoke. This is also Jamin, so 9.5, and it's also worth about $10, the graded one. So, and now the last one. And we have a Jolteon from the Brilliant Stars collection, a full art, 9.5. So this card is probably worth it also around $10, $15. So in the end we have these 3 graded cards. All of them are 9.5. And is it worth it to get it? I don't even know. So I spent for one mystery box about €29. And if they're worth only 10, 15, I don't think it's really worth it. But it's nice to have something like this in the collection, especially as a beginner like me. I know to grade the cards cost you also a little bit, so maybe it's worth it a little bit, but not really. If you can get it from a booster pack, something like this, maybe it will be cooler. the stackable pin. I got it from a friend. He was in Belgium and he got me this, so all the cards inside of it are in French, but it's also pretty cool. So then let's open the box. So we have inside 3 booster packs, and from Lost Origin and Fusion, and we have a coin. But now let's open the booster boxes. So we will see what will have inside of them. We have a card. Energy. Oh, and we have a reversed holo here. And yeah, nothing special. Now, next package. Another reverse holo, and we have a shiny. So the last package, hopefully we have something cool inside. A VMAX or something like this, or a gold card. And we have the V card base. So that's all, and I really hope you liked my first video